Welcome to 62727 Northwest Imbler Drive here in Shevlin Estates. We're on Bend's west side. This house offers great single-level living. It's about 2,500 square feet with a very versatile floor plan, and we're conveniently located near everything that West Bend has to offer. Let's go inside and take a closer look. What I love most about this house is its layout and its versatility that I mentioned. You have 4 true bedrooms, plus this office up front. All of it has a nice big hallway leading from the front of the house into the great room, which opens into your living, dining, and kitchen space. The kitchen is generously sized with this huge island with tons of countertop seating. It's got dual dishwashers, walk-in pantry, and all of it ties nicely with windows to the west, bringing the outdoors in. On the south end of the home, you have your primary retreat. This nicely sized room easily fits a king-size bed, lots of space for cabinetry or dressers. You have a door access going out to the patio, and all of it is west facing, so it makes it super bright and allows you to see the Cascade Mountain views. Into the primary bath, you have a nice sized soaking tub, a huge walk-in shower, and one of the things that I love most about it is the way the master closet ties so nicely with the laundry room, making things a breeze. On the north end of the home, you have 3 additional bedrooms, 2 of which are connected by a Jack and Jill bath, and the 4th bedroom is set to the west of the house, has great views to the west, and features a full hall bath just outside its door. This house really does combine luxury and convenience and allows you to enjoy the things that people love about Bend. You have multiple outdoor patio spaces, big views. We're essentially across the street from the trail system that leads to Shevlin Park, and we're down just a short distance from Northwest Crossing, parks, schools, and dining that everybody loves. We invite you to come explore this home for yourselves.